Hey everyone! You've probably heard of 401ks. Maybe you have a 401k but aren't quite sure how it works. Today we're breaking them down and, more importantly, making sure you don't miss out on free money. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This is not investment advice. Every case is different, and we are not licensed financial professionals. A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by employers. It's a way to save for the future while taking advantage of tax benefits. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. With a traditional 401k, you contribute money before taxes are taken out. This lowers your taxable income now, but you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. With a Roth 401k, you contribute money after taxes. That means you don't get a tax break now, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Choosing either the traditional 401k or the Roth 401k comes down to your current tax situation and your future expectations. A traditional 401k is great if you want immediate tax savings and believe your income and tax rate will be lower in retirement. A Roth 401k is ideal if you're early in your career, expect your income to grow significantly, or want to lock in today's tax rates. Now, let's talk about the best part, free money. Many employers offer matching contributions, meaning they'll add money to your 401k when you contribute. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary and you earn $50,000 a year, contributing $3,000 means your employer adds $1,500. That's free money. Always contribute at least enough to get the full match. Otherwise, you're leaving money behind. A 401k is a powerful tool for saving for retirement, and employer matching is basically free money